In today's class, we are going to calculate percentage of ionic character in a covalent bond. As we know that covalent bond is formed by sharing of electrons between atoms, but if these atoms are having different electronegativities, then they must have ionic character. That's why we are going to calculate that ionic character, percentage of ionic character in that covalent bond. We use the formula which is observed dipole moment divided by theoretical dipole moment into 100. 100 is to calculate the value in percentage. We know that mu observed is always given in the question. Mu theoretical we have to calculate. Mu theoretical we will use the formula which is equal to magnitude of charge and multiply by distance of separation. But before attempting the numerical, we have to do some conversions. These are the conversions. We know that the unit of dipole moment is given in debye. 1 debye is equal to 10 raised to power minus 18 ESU centimeter. Charge on electron, after Mulliken experiment, we know that charge on one electron in coulombs is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulombs. But we have to calculate the charge on one electron in ESU, which is equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10 ESU. We have to convert the distance of distance also, unit of distance also, which is given in angstrom. We know that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Now we will attempt the numerical. What is given in the numerical? What we have to calculate is calculate the percentage of ionic character and covalent character of HF molecule having bond distance 0.92 angstrom and dipole moment 1.78 debye. This uh, uh, dipole moment, which is given in the question, is observed dipole moment. We'll put these values in our formula. Percentage of ionic character mu observed over mu theoretical into 100. We have to convert 1.78 debye into ESU centimeter. We know that 1 debye is equal to 10 raised to power minus 18 ESU centimeter. So we multiply it with 1.78. We know that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeters. So we multiply the value of angstrom into 10 raised to power minus 8. And the charge, we know that charge in ESU on one electron is equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10 ESU. After putting these values in our formula, percentage of ionic character is equal to 1.78 debye, which is equal to 1.78 into 10 raised to power minus 18 ESU centimeter divided by 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10 into ESU into 0.92 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter, multiply it with 100 so as we can get the value in percentage. We will get this value 0.403 into 100 after calculation, which is equal to 40.3%. So we calculated the percentage of ionic character in HF molecule, which is equal to 40.3%. But we have to calculate covalent character also. For that, we have to simply simply subtract ionic character percentage from 100. After subtracting the ionic character percentage from 100, we will get the percentage of covalent character, which is equal to 59.7%. After this, we know both characters and their percentage. So we get a value 40.3% ionic character percentage and 59.7 covalent character percentage in HF molecule. Thank you, and please do subscribe my channel.